Okay, these are the SRRM AC model. So basically, this model simulates the performance of power system with and without the proposed investment options, and then compare the impact on reliability by calculating some of the expected probabilistic indices. These probabilistic indices are expressed in terms of megawatt hours per year type of thing, so that we can easily convert this into a monetary value. So this is such as the change in expected unserved energy, we call it as delta EUE, and the change in the expected bottled energy, we call this delta EBE, and the change in the expected curtailed export, we call this delta ECE. So these probability measures and then other measures are input to the CVF process for scoring projects based on an assessment of risk to be mitigated and the benefit to be realized by doing the project. So if you're looking at they have on the top of the figure, they have 5 different types of input. And then if you're looking at at least my right hand bottom side, that is output, DEUE, DEB, and DECE. All of the others are basically the simulation or calculation process. What we basically do is the major simulation engine is PSSE power flow program. So we developed a whole bunch of Python code to invoking the functionality of PSSE to serve in the reliability evaluation purpose. So we not only looking at for example, it's load data. We're not only just looking at the peak values, we're also looking at a load duration curve and also a potential load forecast uncertainty. Then they have some system-specific values, system-specific input. That is a very important piece of information that need to be input because they have some normal operating procedure. For example, if they have a contingency and then you do your all of the other things, transformer tap change, switching capacitor, or your redispatching your generation, if you are not able to solve the issue, you need to cut the load. But when you cut the load, they have a normal operating procedure. You might give you exactly where to cut the load instead of that you program to optimize and cut in the load. So this type of system-specific information we need to be evaluated and then considered and incorporated in the